those companies decide to update, do they continue to go to the industry provider of electronic parts catalog and they simply take the newest version of what they offer and they begin with building that out? Or they have a choice now to upgrade to a modern commerce platform. What you end up with after that investment is a foundation for innovation. Now you have the opportunity to take advantage of all the other innovations that are going to happen out there and connect into these e-commerce platforms. Need a guiding hand to help them understand the business decisions they're making, the investment decisions they're making, and what the product, what the end solution will be when all things are done. We can build it for them. We can design an experience that they're going to appreciate and that their customers are going to appreciate.